A very good morning to all my students. We are back with the second chapter of Geography, Motions of the Earth, and this is our third session. Before proceeding further, let us have a quick recap. Students, the earth is divided into various parts through some lines. However, these lines are not drawn on the earth. They are imaginary lines which help us to study the earth in a better way. And one such line is an equator. What is an equator? An equator is an imaginary line on the Earth's surface equidistant from the North Pole and South Pole. An equator divides the Earth into Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Latitudes. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globe in east-west direction are called latitudes. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at the poles. Longitudes. The vertically imaginary lines drawn on the globe in north-south direction are called longitudes, right? So latitudes are horizontal imaginary lines in east-west direction, and longitudes are vertically imaginary lines, and in which direction? North-south direction. Is it clear? So you have learnt about equator, latitudes and longitudes. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer is a circle of latitude located at approximately 23.5 degree north of the equator. Tropic of Capricorn is a circle of latitude located approximately 23.5 degrees south of the equator. Students, in the image you can see that Tropic of Cancer is in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn is in the southern hemisphere. Is it clear? Wearing lengths of day and night. The rays of the sun fall vertically on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June and on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Students, please, this is very, very, very important that the sun rays fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June and on Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Whenever the sun rays fall vertically, days are longer. Whenever the sun rays are slanting, days are shorter. Clear, all of you? Equinox. Equinox is a moment when day and night are of equal length. Equinox happen when the sun is exactly above the equator. Equinox occurs twice a year, around 20th March and 23rd September. Okay? Solstice. Summer and winter seasons has a midpoint. This midpoint is called solstice. The summer solstice is referred to as the longest day and the shortest night of the year. This occurs around 21st June. The winter solstice is referred to as the shortest day and the longest night of the year. This occurs around 22nd December. Seasons. The earth revolves around the sun, right? When it revolves as well as rotates at the same time, it tilts in one direction. The part of the earth that tilts towards the sun receives direct rays of the sun. Direct rays of the sun provide more heat and the length of the days increases. Hence, that part of the earth experiences summer season. The hemisphere of the earth on the opposite side receives slant rays of the sun. Slant rays provide lesser heat. Also, the length of the night increases. Hence, this part of the earth experiences winter. Thus, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere experiences summer in the period between 21st March to 21st September, while it is winter in the southern hemisphere during that period. The change of seasons is a phenomenon that directly affects human life. So students, I hope now you understood that because of this rotation and revolution of the earth, so many changes takes place. The seasons change, the day and night change, wearing lengths of day and night. Everything happens only because of rotation and revolution of the earth. Country of the midnight sun. Students, if I tell you that there is one country where you can see the sun at 12 o'clock in the night, will you believe me? But it is true. There is one country which can see sun at 12 o'clock in the night. And that country is Norway. Norway is located in the northern hemisphere of the earth. The northern hemisphere experiences summer between 21st March to 23rd September. Now all of you know that, right? During this period, the sun never sets near the Arctic Circle between mid-May to the end of July. During this period, as soon as the sun sets, it rises again near the Arctic Circle. The sun is seen even at 12 o'clock in the night in such locations. And Norway is one such country that faces this situation. Hence, it is called the country of the midnight sun. Isn't it interesting? Yeah? So students, here I end the explanation of the chapter. I hope you enjoyed learning about our earth, right? It was very interesting, right? Students, you will be sent worksheet solutions, okay? Please start learning the question answers, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know. We'll solve it. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. God bless you all.